Hi, I'm Tom Cross. Welcome to my masterclass on the art and technique of Hollywood-style film editing. Make the cut. You can go back and revise it. I have a card with every single scene on the wall so that I can step back and then I can be either excited or I can cry, but this is the task we have at hand.
Play the goddamn kit!
There are times where you want to feel the cuts, but then there are other times where you don't want to feel the cuts, you don't want to feel manipulation, even though everything we do is manipulation. As an editor, you want to get the audience in a wrestling hold by teeing things up a certain way. For many, many years in Hollywood, the overall goal is for the editor to have a first cut 1 week after shooting wraps. You have to trust what you're feeling, trust what your gut is. We want to throw the audience headfirst into this. Good assistant editors anticipate what an editor might need.